Okay, in 1952, the O'Neill Surf Company opened by Jack O'Neill. Started in his garage, and he was the first person to basically start to make wetsuits. And then polyurethane foam became the next great thing for surfboards. It was put inside the board to allow the board to float better. To recap, we've got fiberglass on the board, we got polyurethane inside the board, we got the fin on the board. So all this allowed the boards to become lighter, had more stability, so you had more control, and obviously then more speed. So then the next big thing happened. Well, first of all, 1959, Gidget came out, and then 1960, the size of a surfboard changed. So boards, there were like what long boards are basically still called. They're about 9, 11 feet long, right? Or giant. That's what surfboards were back in the day. And suddenly in 1960, they became 6 feet long. So, which meant you can have, I think, more power, right? Because you can cut more and you can do things that you couldn't do before because it was a smaller board. So suddenly a whole new world. 1960, I think a revolution in surfing came. 1962, Surfer Magazine came out by John Severson. He said he was motivated to start it because he quite frankly felt that the surfing culture wasn't true to what was happening in movies like Gidget. So he was like, he wanted the opposite of Gidget to be like really the way people were looking at surfing culture. He wanted to really give it a really true image versus like the Hollywood version of surf culture. So, but just to kind of go back a little bit, and kind of an overall view of what was going on. So again, like just before this, Gidget, and then about 61, there was kind of a part 2 to Gidget. Was Gidget Goes Hawaiian, right? Before she was in California, she was in Hawaii. 63 came out Beach Party. 64, Ride the Wild Surf. 65, Beach Blanket Bingo. And then 66 was Endless Summer, which actually was a really good sense of, I think, real kind of like the sport of surfing as opposed to the lifestyle of surfing. To watch this little YouTube video kind of gives you a taste of one of those films.